Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today it's all about learning process. It's not a big thing, but learning how to cut and clean a crab. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and leave your comments down there. And let's get started. If you have a live crab, you can put it inside hot boiling water. My crab, it's already dead, so I'm gonna clean it. The first process, taking a knife, put it at the bottom over here, and chunk it open up like this. And if you see, many people use these parts, but I don't use those. And once you're done with this, we're gonna go to the back and pull this one out. We don't use that one either. And if you see the gills, these are kind of like the gills. We're gonna take that one out too. After cleaning out all the fins and everything, you're gonna turn it back, cut it into half, and scrape away all these things, and break the legs. Now we're going to scrap out all these things. And then if you have a brush, just brush out all the dirt from here, from under the crab. That is, if there's any sand or mud down there. Keep brushing all the pieces of crab until you're done. After brushing the crab, we're going to put a small puncture or crack the shell like this, so that when you cook, all the spices can go inside and it's easy to eat too. So this way, if you see, and the small pieces, the end pieces, you can leave it out. Keep doing the same procedure to all the crabs. After finish cutting the crab, now we are going to wash it 3 to 4 times. After 3 to 4 times of washing, now my crab is clean. So today we are able to learn how to cut and process and clean the crab, and in our upcoming video we are going to make spicy crab masala. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you can receive instant notification about the spicy crab masala. And if you liked our video, as I said earlier, please do subscribe. Thank you.